Why is it such a shock for people that Billie Eilish said what she said at the Grammys? Because as far as I know, Billie Eilish always stood up for like marginalized groups and stuff. Um, and also, what is that stupid comparison of her having her private space, her mansion, and the fucking United States? Because that is totally different. Of course, you don't want intruders on your private property. The United States is not private property, and ICE is not deporting people who came there, or not only deporting people who came there illegally. Illegally. Immigrants are not illegal, they are fleeing from danger.